Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite occasional tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I have two more cases from Ringke to review, but before I get into this, check this out. Alright, so in this video, I have two more cases for your Galaxy Note 10 Plus from Ringke. They sent me out their Air case, and then also their Fusion case in clear. The reason why I don't have packaging on that case is I actually been using it for a couple days now, and I just want to talk to y'all about my experience with this case. This case shows off the beauty of your phone and protects it, because I did drop my Note 10 Plus with this case on it, and I don't have any scratches on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. You can pick up these cases from Amazon. I will have the link in the description. So let me go ahead and show you how good the Fusion case fits the phone and if you can wireless charge with it. But let's go ahead. Look at the case itself. Yes, it does attract fingerprints, but look at that fit. It looks great. Gives you that lip action. Also protects your camera, but it shows off the beauty of the phone. The volume rockers and the power button work great. Everything lines up here too. Yes, the pen is easy to get to. And also at the top, everything lines up. As you can tell, the power button works great. It's easy to find the volume rockers. Overall, this is just a great case from Ringke. Yes, you do have some branding there. I've been using this. Like I said, I dropped my phone and it protected it, which was great. But it shows off the beauty. Yes, it tracks fingerprints too. Alright, so let's see if you can wireless charge with it. I know you can because I already tried it. But let's show that on camera. Yes, you can wireless charge. Yes, you can also power share with the case on. You should not have any problems with this Fusion case. Again, I will have the links in the description. Alright, let me show you the other case and review that one. Here is the Air case. Yes, it's clear, but it comes in multiple colors. This one is $7.99. I love the packaging. If you want to follow them on their websites, you can definitely do so. But let's see. It's easy to get into too. But this one is not that heavy duty case, but it will protect your phone and show off the beauty of it too. Bam. Does have some branding on that side here, if I can focus. Look at that. Let's take off this one. Alright, so here's the phone. This one fits nice and snug too. You do get some lip action there. Look at that. I wouldn't slam the phone down. You also get some lip action on the back. But again, it shows off the beauty of your phone. Now, one thing you want to make sure is that you clean your phone off before you put it in the case. But this is a great looking case. The cutouts line up. The pen is easy to get to, which I didn't think we would have a problem. Cutouts at the top line up. The power button works. It's easy to press. You don't have a struggle. The volume rockers work too, and they're easy to get to. I don't know why Samsung didn't put the power button on that side, but man, this is a great case. Let's see how it fits. Nice and snug. Even on the sides. Now, you can have a screen protector with this case with no problem. This one shows, I like this case too. But this one is less protection. But it will protect your back from getting scratches though. Let's see if you can wireless charge. I don't think you will have a problem. No problem wireless charging either. As you can tell, it can wireless charge. You can also power share with this case on. The case is really thin, so you should have no problem power sharing. Here's a Fusion case. Which one is your favorite? If you want to pick up any one of these cases, I will have the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Follow me on Twitter, become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace, I'm out of here. You have a great day now.